Next one is economic importance of algae. Algal members are photosynthetic in their nature. So, out of all the photosynthetic organs, so 50% of these photosynthetic organisms are occupied by the algal members. That is 50% of the total photosynthesis in the entire globe is performed by algal members, and these are considered to be the major proportion in the producers in the ecological pyramids, because they are producing the food materials by using the solar energy, and they are the main source of release of oxygen into the atmosphere, because when they perform the photosynthesis, they will take up the carbon dioxide and release the oxygen. They are the main source of or we can say they are considered to be the major source of oxygen in the ecosystem or in the environment. Apart from this one, these are having industrial values also, like they produce agar. So, some of the rhodophyceae members like Gelidium and Gracilaria will produce some hydrocolloidal substance. This hydrocolloidal substance is called as agar, which is used in the microbial cultures, or it is used for solidification of culture medium. So, this is significance of agar, and second one is the algin. Algin is the cell wall material, additional cell wall material which is present in the members of Phaeophyceae. So, this is also an hydrocolloidal substance, that is water holding capacity will be there. This is nothing but alginic acid, which is used in cosmetics and textiles. Next one, carrageenan. This is also been produced by some of the red algal members like chondrus. This carrageen is used in toothpaste, cosmetics and deodorants. Then next one is iodine. Iodine is produced by many of the members of Phaeophyceae like Fucus, Laminaria, which is used in the cloth and the paper industries. In the economic importance, some of the members are used as food. So, nearly 70 species are there. Out of them, Laminaria is one of the example. Others are Sargassum, and here some use as a food material for the space travelers like Spirulina, and some of the members of this algae are used as a biofertilizers also, Spirulina and Chlorella.